got plenty of people. Clear the air. Pit. Williamson overpass.
85 miles an hour.
When the driver crashed the vehicle.
Ashford Street, head north-south.
Traffic guy's gotta be headed west.
Volusia County, Florida. On September 3, 2025, a driver fled from the Port Orange Police Department, swerved off the roadway, ran a red light, and drove at 118 miles per hour on I-95, endangering all pedestrians.
Stop stick hit. Stop stick hit on Silver Farms Road, 110. Southbound on 95. He's losing speed. 95 miles an hour.
You think you can get it with a pit going the straightaway here? We're going too bad.
He's going to lose it here in a minute. He's losing speed.
Alright, sit back. We got the cavalry behind you. Spanish, I would have hit him. You want to get him or you want me to get him?
Go ahead.
1255 to Port Orange Sergeant, can I assist on 95?
We got plenty of people. Clear the air. Pit. Williamson overpass. Pit in the median.
His reckless driving ended when the sheriff executed a PIT maneuver and arrested him. The 24-year-old suspect from Broward County was charged with fleeing police, reckless driving, a Florida speeding violation, and numerous criminal traffic violations. Chester, South Carolina. On Thursday, July 11, 2024, at approximately 6:32 a.m., sheriff's deputies stopped a vehicle in the area of J.A. Cochran Bypass and Columbia Road. The driver's license was found to be suspended. When asked to exit the vehicle, the driver fled the checkpoint.
602 AGR. 20's going to be at Chester High School.
Hey, what's going on, boss? Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
Okay. Hold on for a minute, man. Damn. Let me roll my window. Man, let me roll my window up. I got to shut it to roll the window.
Come on.
Man, come on, man.
85 miles an hour. Still on.
Prompting a chase by deputies. The chase eventually ended on Ashford Road when the driver crashed the vehicle.
Ashford Street, head north-south. Advise pass.
Sheriff's deputies apprehended the driver without further incident. After searching the vehicle, deputies seized the following items. Approximately 112 grams of a substance believed to be fentanyl. Approximately 56 grams of a substance believed to be methamphetamine. $4,373. An assortment of pills believed to be controlled substances. The driver was taken into custody and transported to the hospital for injuries sustained during the crash. After receiving medical treatment, he was transported to the Chester County Detention Center. Atlanta, Georgia. On July 5, 2024, just after 2 a.m., Cobb County Police requested the assistance of the Atlanta Police Department's elite ACE unit for a high-speed pursuit of a wanted person on I-285.
Send over me again, approaching Cascade. Intermediate.
During the Cobb County pursuit, the fleeing suspect rammed a police cruiser. After a successful pit maneuver, the suspect attempted to flee on foot into the woods adjoining the highway. Officers were able to quickly take the suspect into custody with the assistance of their taser. The individual, identified as a 28-year-old, faces outstanding warrants and charges from Cobb County Police. Additionally, Atlanta Police charged the individual with aggravated assault on law enforcement, felony fleeing and eluding, obstruction, multiple traffic violations.
No injured in the woods. Wishbone, 20 feet.
Do not move. I got him. He clear.
Alright, 56.
Grand Blanc Township, MI, on August 17, 2025, at 8:10 p.m., Grand Blanc Township officers attempted to stop a motorcyclist for speeding. The pursuit quickly escalated, with the officers chasing the individual at speeds of over 100 miles per hour through several jurisdictions.
Thank you.
Alright, through Hempfield, blue the light there. And we're stopping here. Westbound.
You better stop right now! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Right now! Get on the ground! Get your hands up, fucker! Get him out now! Do not move.
The chase ended when the individual crashed near a Flint parking lot. Investigators state that the 37-year-old man attempted to flee on foot, discarding methamphetamine and a handgun as he ran, but he was quickly apprehended by police.
7981. It's GP 7981. Call me 57.
Jones County was involved in a 140 miles per hour pursuit on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, due to multiple outstanding warrants. The driver fled the scene at speeds reaching 140 miles per hour during the pursuit, endangering lives.
Tornado assault, she just took off. Black BMW. Pit. Alright, she came out of the pit. We back on 57.
The dangerous chase eventually ended after several attempts to end it. Jones County Sheriff's Office officers arrested the driver without further incident. We want to assure you that we will continue to produce and publish the most prominent daily content, covering the latest police chases, thefts, and crimes related to our channel's focus. We rely on your support. Please take a moment to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Your engagement makes our work worthwhile. Until the next upload.